Will the procedure cause sagging skin? Losing a significant amount of fat creates space between your skin and your muscular wall. So the best way to think about it is in terms of how much fat is being removed. We are not cutting and removing skin to have you re-stitched nice and tight. That would be a tummy tuck. But if excess skin is not of concern, reducing the number of fat cells permanently in a given area will reduce your overall size. Think pre and post-pregnancy. The human body can do some pretty amazing stuff when it comes to retracting back quickly. This is why we encourage consistent and proper use of your faja or body garment to speed up the recovery process. Additionally, our proprietary technique uses vibration during the process to stimulate tissue retraction and collagen synthesis. So it not only helps with loose skin, but promotes tightening to create a smooth and more youthful appearance post-procedure. Every result is individualized depending on your age, skin elasticity, and lifestyle habits. A tummy tuck is always an option later in life, but you'd be surprised with all the new advancements in skin tightening hitting the market. Comment below with any questions you have, and we'd love to answer more of your questions.